team at SeedSpark is incredibly excited about Windows 11, the first major update to Windows since 2015 with the launch of Windows 10. Windows 11 launches on October 5th, introducing the world to the newest operating system set to power millions of devices over the next decade. With plenty of public previews in the wild, Windows insiders have had time to learn what's new with Microsoft's latest OS. Here are some of the biggest new features coming to Windows 11 when it launches this fall. While there have been plenty of improvements to Windows 10 over the years, Windows 11 is poised to shake up the overall user experience to bring Microsoft's operating system more in line with what Apple fans have experienced in the past. The sleek and minimalist Fluent Design is creating a more elegant experience for users with a redesigned taskbar, rounded edges on windows, and simplified menus that should make navigating apps a breeze. Microsoft Teams has exploded in popularity over the last 5 years, quickly becoming one of the business world's most popular communications apps. Teams is getting a redesign alongside the launch of Windows 11, where it will also be baked directly into the taskbar as a default communications program. As businesses around the world continue to connect virtually, Teams will be at the heart of the experience in Windows 11 while still connecting to users across Mac, iOS, and Android devices. For many of us, computers are at the heart of our personal and professional lives. Now, Microsoft is bringing a macOS feature to Windows with enhanced virtual desktops that open different instances of Windows with ease. Imagine a personal desktop, a professional desktop, and a gaming desktop, all running simultaneously and accessible within seconds. That's coming in Windows 11. Snap groups are also a handy feature for multitasking gurus making the leap to the new OS. Windows users can already snap windows into each side of the screen to divide their real estate and have more eyes on their work. In Windows 11, snap groups allow users to pre-select the layout of their windows and keep those layouts ready at a moment's notice at just the click of a button. Widgets, helpful information blocks for everything from weather and traffic to Outlook email and news, are back in Windows 11. These actually made a return in Windows 10 just a few months ago, but the feature is being carried over into Windows 11 as more users around the world are taking in top info with a glance at their taskbar. This library of widgets is set to grow exponentially as more third-party developers create innovative solutions to fit each user's needs. While a partnership with Samsung integrated some Android functionality into Windows 10, Windows 11 is integrating Amazon's App Store directly into the Microsoft Store to give users access to a huge library of popular Android apps. While it may not have the same popularity as Google Play, the service houses nearly 1 million applications that will be coming to Windows 11 in the near future. Microsoft has confirmed this feature will not be available at launch, but it's sure to be a big hit when it does come for many who are already accustomed to today's most popular mobile applications. These are just a small selection of some of the improvements coming to Windows 11 on launch, but there are plenty to come in the future as well. SeedSpark looks forward to sharing more in the future, and of course if you're new here, you can stay subscribed for monthly videos that give you the hottest news coming out of the world of tech with helpful tips and tricks along the way. We look forward to the launch of Windows 11, and from the launch day forward, every new Windows machine that we provide our clients will be loaded with Windows 11, all prepared for the future of technology and the best new features coming to the world of Microsoft. We look forward to sharing more soon, and of course, if you haven't already, stay subscribed to our channel for monthly updates, tech tips, and more. We look forward to speaking with you soon.